Here is how you replace textures for PPSPP on iOS. First, you'll need the Files app, PPSSPP, and Runstone. Runstone is used for editing the text, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Now, first you're going to run PPSPP. You're going to play a match or create your superstar, the desired superstar texture you want to replace. You go to your settings, go to tools, developer tools, and toggle on the replace textures and create texture.ini. Then go back to the game, create your wrestler, save your wrestler, then go back, start a match, and save new textures. Now go back, run the entrance for 10 seconds, then you can skip the entrance and go to the match. Once you are inside the match, play the match for at least 30 seconds just so the texture will save itself. After playing the match for 30 seconds to a minute, you would exit off and go to the Files app and go to PPSPP, PSP, Textures, and mine will be the first one because I'm using 2010. And you would hit that one, go to New, and select. Hit the three dots, select. Then you're going to select both of your textures. You got your entrance texture and you have your in-ring texture. Once you selected both of those, move them to a new folder. For an example, I'm making Jon Moxley. I have my textures in a folder already. Move them to that folder and delete the new texture folder. Then have to find your texture.ini file, and you would open that inside the Runstone. Here are a couple of textures I already did. This is me speed running through it, but basically what you would do is you would copy the old texture into the texture.ini file and delete the first 16 characters and put equal and then the name of the new texture. After doing that, you will move all of the textures, the new texture. After you have copied all of your textures and got your new textures, move all of your textures outside of the folder and save your file. Go back inside the game and your textures will be loaded. See, this is my Jon Moxley. I have like one more to do and then my whole texture pack will be complete. But if it doesn't work, you could go to your settings and turn your texture, replace textures on and off, and it'll work. It'll work for sure. The method is pretty easy and pretty simple. If your textures don't load in game, or if they only load during the match, you would have to redo the whole process over. If you don't fully understand, just let me know and I'll get you right.